My name is CJ.
My name is Arcane.
My name is Winston.
I'm Yenzel.
I'm JR.
And we are
Group 4!
So for today's video, what we're gonna do is strength training and includes boxing training. Are you excited, guys?
Yes!
Get ready to suffer.
Hey JR,
JR, what are you doing?
No cardio.
Walking with this?
Like this one.
What the hell? We're gonna work our cardio.
No need. I had cardio last night. We are here in Chris Gym. Let me introduce to you about Chris Gym. So this is first floor is weightlifting and a second floor is cardio.
The second floor.
Second floor, okay. Is cardio training and the third floor is martial arts training.
Whoa, we're at the martial arts floor. Because we're gonna, we're gonna train boxing. Let's get it, boys. We're cleaning the mats first.
What did you say? What did you say? It's hard? So I'll teach it to you later. So watch this. What you're gonna do later. Just hit it lightly and then speed it up a little bit and you'll be able to do this. Later.
Wow.
You'll be able to do that, don't worry.
Amazing. So amazing that one, huh?
And with this one, just punch it lightly first and don't forget the two parts of your knuckles, this part of your finger. Hit it lightly first. Feel the rhythm first, and then later you'll be able to speed it up a little bit, punch it a little bit harder.
Oh.
So do it like this first. Do it like this first, and then increase the tempo, increase the rhythm. See? This is good for eye coordination. You will just look at the ball closely, and you'll just follow it like this.
Oh.
You'll be able to do that later. Just start with the jab first.
Jab first.
Jab is your best friend.
Why-
Sparring later.
Why is it the best friend?
Of course, it helps a lot. Keeps the distance. Also, keeping the distance. What else? The best attack for low punches and high punches. You can do anything with jab. You can do a split jab.
Stiff jab, fast jab.
Also
Wow.
back jab.
Back jab,
That's what
wow.
I did right there.
Wow.
Don't worry, you'll learn it later. I'll show it to you.
Okay.
Alright, everyone, game. So, here's the drill. The drill is, someone will do 4 boxes. 4 boxes is keeping your stance when moving. 4 because you're gonna do some 4 punches. It's jab, straight, and then you're gonna move. For example, I'm gonna complete the box twice. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, front. 1, 2, 3, 4, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, left. Just like that. That's all you're gonna do, okay? And then at the back, since we're doing this drill because there's only 2 jump ropes, by the way. Over here, 2 people will do jump ropes. You already know how? I know how. You already know how? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do this for 1 minute and for 2 rounds. Kaya bar sa 2. Take your positions.
Can I go?
Alright.
Can I go?
3, 2, 1, go!
While I'm doing recording. Let's go. I want to try some exercises like this. I want to learn some techniques and combos in the meeting, especially that. Game.
I already talked about this punches, right? Okay, for the vlog natin. So, this is jab. Yeah, that's your jab. Your hands very straight. Okay. Jab. Straight.
Jab. You said jab.
When I say jab, jab.
Ah, okay.
You forgot the comma.
You just do it. Jab. Straight. Straight again. Jab. Double jab.
Yeah.
And down, right foot. Good. Left foot. Body. Don't spin. Don't spin. Just release it without any motion. Good. Other. Left uppercut. See this. Again. Again. Don't punch with using this with an uppercut. Punch it with the knuckles. Slide that way. Uppercut. Other leg. So start the timer, Yenzel.
Okay.
All the little lies you recite just makes all the savage unite. Usually I'm very polite, but I'ma get savage tonight. Even when a dog being nice, every single dog gonna bite. I don't make a sound when I strike. You better just run for your life. Run for your life.
We're done! So, for this last clip, we're going to talk about our thoughts about our training for yesterday. For me, I like the training with Kanyada and with the others since it was very informative, it was very methodological idea. And in the end, even though it was tiring, it was fun. We all enjoyed these sparring sessions. And this, with that idea being said, the sparring session with CJ was very fun since you learned a lot from just boxing, not boxing only, but with techniques that will improve you in your later stage in life. So,
the training yesterday, it's very good, it's very well. I defeated.
wow.
I didn't expect that a 2-minute sparring session will be that long, in mental. So,
That's good.
but it's a great experience. We tried other equipments as well.
Honestly, I can say it's very fun. Though it's exhausting in a way, it's physically draining and you need to think a lot during boxing. It's been fun because I get to interact or I get to learn a new sport.
I enjoy my boxing training experiences. I trained before. It's been a.
You already have experience, yeah.
Yes. So I remember my past moves, steps,
Yeah,
and I remember those sessions like shadow boxing.
I all coached you yesterday. Everybody got potential also. You gotta, out of everyone, you have the power punching. And the one that has technique, of course, it was Yenzel. And of course, Wilster already has experience, so I can't say much about it. Wait! Wilster already has experience. Yenzel got technique with footwork good, with the defense, but he's lacking in power. And JR, maybe I can just say he is one of the favored one. I'm the favored.
So that wraps it up our podcast for today. So see you guys next time.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye guys. Thanks so much.